Happy New Year to you guys. I know you missed me. Yeah. So guys, today we're going to be starting with James Blunt, and this is sorry, I'm trying to get so we have James Blunt, Tears and Rain. So guys, let's check this out.
I wish I could surrender my soul, shed the clothes that become my skin, see a light that burns within my needing. I wish I'd chosen darkness from cold. I wish I'd screamed out loud instead of found no meaning. I guess it's time I run far away, find comfort in pain. All pleasure's the same, it just keeps me from trouble, hides my true shape like Dorian Gray. I've heard what they say, but I'm not here for trouble. It's more than just words, it's just tears and rain. I wish I could walk through the doors of my mind, hold memory close at hand, help me understand the years. I wish I could choose between heaven and hell. I wish I would save my soul, I'm so cold from fear. I guess it's time I run far away, find comfort in pain. All pleasure's the same, it just keeps me from trouble, hides my true shape like Dorian Gray. I've heard what they say, but I'm not here for trouble. Far away, find comfort in pain. All pleasure's the same, it just keeps me from trouble. It's more than just words, it's just tears and rain. Tears and rain. Tears and rain. Far away, find comfort in pain. All pleasure's the same, it just keeps me from trouble. It's more than just words, it's just tears and rain.
Okay, guys, listening to this, the first thing that came to mind is just that there are some songs that we actually put you in your feelings. Like it's going to verbalize your feelings for you, and this song is one of it. Like you're going to be able to reconcile with what you're feeling in you. James Blunt is actually good like that. He has this voice that sings emotional songs better. When I hear James Blunt, I'm all for it. Like when you just recommend James Blunt, I just know, okay, I need to listen to this, because when it comes to emotional songs, he's 100. Yes. Okay, let's call him JB now. JB just knows how to set the mood probably because of his voice. He has this voice that would actually make you connect with the songs, the lyrics of the song. This Tears in the Rain thing to me is like saying, I'm crying, and it's like hiding your tears. You don't imagine crying under the rain or in the rain. You're crying, but you don't want people to know. You don't want people to see that you're crying. I mean, that is raw and emotional. This song is heartbreaking. It's like singing about, a pain that you're carrying about, probably from past mistakes, but it's something from the past year. And it makes it so, I think it should be relatable for some people. I know it's going to be personal for some people, but all thanks to JB. He just knows how to set the mood. So guys, thank you for doing this with me. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's start this new year so beautifully. So guys, please always engage with my videos. Like this if you like this video, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.